You wake up every morning with excitement in your chest, ready to create. You have ideas, energy, even passion burning inside you. You sit down, film your video, edit it for hours, and hit upload. And then, nothing. The views barely move, the likes don't come, comments? Maybe one or two. You feel invisible, like your work, your creativity, even your passion doesn't matter. If you've ever felt this, you're not alone. This is the secret stress that almost every new YouTuber experiences, but nobody talks about. The quiet pressure, the unseen battle, the part where the algorithm seems more like an enemy than a tool. Every day is the same. You brainstorm, you film, you edit, you polish, you post. You check analytics. Click, click, click. Nothing. Some days you might get a few hundred views. Other days, even your closest friends won't see it. And that's the tricky part. It's not about skill, talent, or dedication. You could be creating amazing content, but the algorithm doesn't care. It decides who sees your video. Some days it's generous. Other days, you're invisible. This invisible wall, this unpredictable system becomes a silent pressure. You start questioning yourself. Am I not good enough? Do people just not like my content? Should I give up? Then comes the part almost no one warns you about. Comparison. You scroll through YouTube and suddenly the world seems impossible. Creators with 100K, 200K, even 1 million subscribers post the same kind of content you do and they grow overnight. And there you are, stuck at 100, 200, 500 subscribers, wondering why your channel isn't taking off. It's not just about numbers, it's about pride, identity, your sense of worth. You start comparing your behind-the-scenes struggle with someone else's polished success, and the stress doesn't stay online. It creeps into your mind, your thoughts, your emotions. The joy you once had in creating starts to feel like a burden. This is the hidden stress new YouTubers feel, the one nobody talks about, the silent, creeping weight that builds day by day. So what do? You push harder. You research trends, tweak thumbnails, post more frequently. You stay up late, sacrificing sleep, social life, maybe even health. Every view, every like, every comment becomes a small victory, but also a source of anxiety. And slowly, burnout sets in. The thing you loved, the creative spark that drove you to start this journey, starts to feel like a chore. You feel exhausted, mentally drained, and emotionally fragile. You want to create, but you also want a break. But taking a break feels like giving up. And worst of all, you feel alone. Because online, everyone shows only success, only results. Nobody shares the late nights, the failed edits, the empty analytics dashboards, the heartbreak of seeing a video flop. Here's the truth. This stress isn't a sign you're failing. It's a sign you care. It's a sign you're passionate. The algorithm, the analytics, the numbers, they're neutral. They don't measure talent, heart, or effort. They only measure engagement. And once you understand this, once you separate your worth from the numbers, something incredible happens. You start creating for yourself, not for validation. You start enjoying the process again. And slowly, steadily, growth starts to follow. But remember, the secret stress doesn't magically disappear. It's always there in the back of your mind. The trick is learning to navigate it, to embrace it, and to keep going even when it feels impossible. So if you've ever felt invisible, if you've stayed up late stressed over a video no one watched, if you've compared yourself to creators who seem to have it all, know this, you are not alone. This secret stress is part of the journey, and understanding it might just be the first step to finally breaking free from it and finding your voice. You wake up tomorrow, you film again, you edit again, you upload again. But now you create not for the algorithm, not for the numbers, but for yourself. And that is how every successful creator starts.